Yo guys, this is Riley Jar, and today guys, we will be surprising my mom with a jean jacket. So let's get to customizing. First guys, we're gonna paint everything white so those colors are pop. Let's get into it.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. All my melodies that
call me on a late night and ask me if I'm alone. Tell me who could come by and make me hang up the phone. I got roses on my bed, I got pillows for your head, I got everything we need right here. We be up all night through the highs and the lows. We be picking fights till it's out of control.
So guys, we are done with this jacket, guys. It took forever, but hey, we're done now. It says I am, and it has a lot of different description words of woman. So now guys, it is time to reveal this to my mom. This is what I'm making it for. So let's see her reaction. Let's get it. So guys, we just got here. We pulled up at my mom's house. So let's just go show her. Her jacket right here. I have my mom right here. And I'm finna reveal to her her jacket, but she hasn't seen it yet. Let's see. Yo.
I love it.
Oh boy.
I love it. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my goodness. Let me get it out.
Yeah, go ahead and model it. Yeah, it looks good on you.
Thank you. I love it.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.